Hello, in this video I want to show you how to extract RAR and zip archives with Xiaomi Redmi 11 Pro. To do this, you will need to get the RAR app I shown you previously on how to download it. Now right here we have our file. In your case it will be probably in a different place on your phone, so find the file, then click on it, select the arrow pointing up button to enter extraction options. You can customize the options however you like, but it's not necessary. If you want to change the designation, click on browse and pick where the files will be unpacked. In this case, let's go for the ringtones and click on OK, then click on OK again, and the files are unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.